Hey, what's going on YouTubers, it's your boy Altered Tech back again with a new video. And if you guys have yet to subscribe to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell notification icon and hit that subscribe button. Alright, so the main reason why you actually clicked on this video is because you're interested in the Moto Mod Gamepad and playing Fortnite. So in this video I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that this actually works with Fortnite on the Moto Z2 Force. So if you guys don't even know what the Moto Mods are, I have a set of videos explaining what the Moto Mods are, the history of the Moto Mods, and what they actually do. I have the projector mod, the camera mod, the gamepad mod, and many more. Alright, but enough of all that, let's go ahead and see the device in action. So here we have the Moto Gamepad Mod. It's a very beautiful device, very elegant, well made. We have a ton of buttons. So let's go ahead and just give you guys a quick tour. We have the Y, X button, the A, B button, start, select, a right joystick. Now we have two triggers on the top right corner, one over here and one over here, and the same goes for the left side. Now we do have a left analog stick over here, we do have a D-pad over here, we have a home button. Alright, before I go any further, I'll say this. Now I tried playing some PUBG games with this Moto Mod Gamepad. It wasn't a great experience. Once you snap it on, you have to go into the settings and actually manually configure each button. But for this game, as soon as you snap on the Moto Mod, the game actually recognizes it and it actually has the buttons configured for you automatically. As you can see over here, it actually has, if you want to play, just hit the Y button. If you want to check your, what was that, Team Rumble. It's my first time playing this game. So Team Rumble option, just press X. And so we have all these little icons all over the game, letting you know what button is for what. So let's go ahead back into the settings. Alright, so we do have a bunch of preset controls. If you like to build stuff, we have this configuration, combat, builder pro, limited, and custom. So if you're interested in changing the button layout, go ahead and do that. Let me just go ahead and try that out. Press A. Okay, so let's say you want to change the jump button. Alright, so let's say you want to change the jump button. All you gotta do is press A and look for the B button and just hit A again. Alright, so if you want to reset your customization, all you gotta do is press X and pick which pre-configuration you want to choose. Now the good thing about this mod is that it doesn't really work with Bluetooth. Alright, so the great thing about this Moto Mod is that it's actually connected directly with pins, so it's not using Bluetooth, so you're not going to have any trouble with any interference. So that's pretty good. And so far these controls are very comfortable. The buttons feel really good, nice and mushy. The joysticks feel pretty good. The D-pad feels pretty good as well. Alright, let me just give you guys a quick demonstration. Left, right, jump, 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 and to slash or whatever. It's the back button over here. So just tap that. So I guess every button really has a function. That's pretty cool. Everything is set up pretty good. Very impressive. I'm just going to end this real quick. If you guys have any questions or comments, please hit me up below. Again, subscribe if you haven't. This is Altered Tech, just showing off the Moto Gamepad Mod with Fortnite. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, please hit me up. This is Altered Tech, signing out. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Peace.